is first stage. Same thing. Bird's first flight is compared to a human baby's first step. And it is difficult. Hesitating. How the bird would take flight and how a human baby takes the first step. Very hesitant. And we also tempt a human baby, our little ones, with a toffee or something else. Come on, come on, come on, I will give you this or that. Likewise, the young seagull was also hesitant in his first flight. He was a slow learner. That's why he was backwarded. And we well know that parents adopt various methods in helping us overcome our fear. How the children will overcome their fear. This is the duty of the parents. And for that, a father or the family adopts many methods. Sometimes children also say that if you have no interest in me, I have also no interest in you. And this is why the young seagull fell asleep. But they means the parents or his brothers and sisters didn't take any notice of him. Now the mother was trying her last effort. She had a piece of fish. She was tearing it, and she well knew how my young seagull loved to tear it. That's why she was tearing the piece of fish and scraping her beak on the rock sideways. Now this is the last chance. If you have to come, you are welcome. Otherwise, I am going to devour it, I am going to eat it. Page number 54. Last para. When the young seagull saw the food, the sight of the food maddened him, and he began crying. Who began crying? Young seagull. He was crying, ga 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 ga. Likewise, a human baby, when he feels very hungry, then he calls very plaintively, very humbly to his mother, and in his crying there is demand of milk, and mother is in the kitchen. She is preparing the milk for him. She is pouring the milk into bottle, and the boy, little baby, keeps crying on. Likewise, the young seagull was also crying, ga 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 ga. He cried, begging her to bring him some food, and mother's answer, ga kol ah. She screamed back derisively, mockingly. चिढ़ाते हुए बोली वो, केवल गागा करते हो, आने का हिम्मत नहीं है. You have not courage to come here. Take your flight, come here, you are most welcome. That's why she screamed back derisively, means mockingly. You write some word meanings, then I will Continue it. Derisively, plentifully, humbly. His voice was very humble. He was making a request to his mother, plentifully. Beating lightly, धीरे धीरे वो थपथपा रहा था the lace of his rock. Ga 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 ga, please please give me. Unlimited area. Soaring, flying. Swooped past him. Swooped means pounced, झपट्टा मारी. Past means beyond him. उसके आगे आ गई झपट्टा मारते हुए. Curvating, leaping like a horse. Banking, flying with one leg higher than the other. During flying, a bird's one leg is higher and one leg is lower. In this hall, the bird enjoys his flight. Commanded, prayed, immediately. Happily. Later on, I will send you the picture of these word meanings in your group. Ga 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 ga. He cried, begging her to bring him some food. Gawkul, ah! She screamed back derisively, mockingly. चिढ़ा रही थी, but he kept calling plaintively. But you know that he was very hungry. There was pinch of hunger. That's why once again he kept calling plaintively, very humbly, and after a minute or so, he gave a joyful scream. Anything? Anything? Any problem? Have you any problem? Can you hear me? Okay. After a minute or so, he gave a joyful scream. Anand bhari cheek mari. He had seen something. The young seagull had seen something. His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was flying across to him, near him with it. With what? With the piece of fish. When the young seagull saw that his mother was flying towards him, he leaned out, he bent out, वो झुक गया eagerly. पेज नंबर 35. जब माँ आती है दूध के बोतल के साथ में, बच्चा और नजदीक आता है. Tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, now see the situation. This is the situation. This is the age of the leaves, bring, and mother was just near. But when his mother was just near, she halted. She stopped flying. She stopped flying. This is also the method to make him tempted towards that piece of fish. She halted, she stopped, her wings motionless. She stopped, her wings flapping. The piece of fish in her beak, almost within reach of his beak. Now that piece of fish was within his reach, within the reach of the young seagull. Young seagull के पहुँच में था, वो अगर चाहता तो वो छीन सकता था. He waited a minute in surprise. क्या हुआ? What happened to my mother? So he waited, wondering, thinking why she did not come nearer, and then, maddened by hunger, he became mad due to hunger. He dived at the fish. He plunged. He pounced, झपट्टा मारा at the fish. जैसे ही झपट्टा मारा, his mother came to one side. And what happened? The young seagull fell outwards. This was the age of the leaves, outwards and downwards. This was also the method to make her son to take his first flight. With a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards into space, into unlimited area. He was frightened. He got fearful. Then a monstrous terror, a great terror, great fear seized him, caught him. If his little wings did not support, then what would happen to him? That's why a great terror, a great fear caught him, and his heart stood still. His heart stopped beating. दिल धड़कना बंद हो गया. In terror, in fear. He could hear nothing. डर से उसे कुछ सुनाई नहीं पड़ रही थी. But it only lasted a minute. This thing, this fear lasted to him only for a minute. In the next moment, he felt his wings spread. उसका wings spread हो गया automatically, very naturally. Outwards, the wings rushed against his breast. Wind जो है उसे टकराया breast से, breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. He could feel the tips of his wings. Tip means the top end of his wings, cutting the cutting through the air. He was not falling head. No, he was not falling towards his head. वो सर के बल अब नहीं गिरा था. And outwards. He was soaring casually. He was flying casually. धीरे धीरे ही वह उड़ रहा था. Gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. अब बिल्कुल भी वो डरा हुआ नहीं. This is what his mother wanted to take, wanted him to do. This is what. यही चाहती थी उसकी माँ. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. He just felt a little unbalanced. थोड़ा सा unbalanced उसने feel किया, क्योंकि it was his first flight. Then he flapped his wings once. एक बार उसने और विंग्स को फ्लैपिंग किया. वो जान गया था if he flaps his wings then he goes where? Upwards. And he soared upwards. Ga 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 ga. You know that for the first time he uttered the word ga only 3 times because he was in trouble. He wanted the food, but this time he was enjoying his flight. That's why he had uttered the word ga for 6 times. Ga 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 ga. Now he was enjoying his flight, and his mother also replied back, ga kola, well done, well done. This is the meaning of ga kola. Not derisively, not mockingly. She was giving the moral support. Very good, well done. You can take your flight. His mother stood past him, paused beyond him. उसके आगे आ गई. अगर जैसे हम लोग किसी को साइकिल चलाने सिखाते हैं तो पीछे से उसको सपोर्ट करते रहते हैं. उसकी माँ आगे इसलिए आई, if he falls down then she will support him. This is how she was giving him moral support. Her wings making a loud noise. She was praising him with the noise of her wings, praising. Oh, well done, well done. This is how she was clapping her hands, by clapping her wings. Wings को flap करते हुए, it means she was supporting, she was clapping. He answered her with another scream. फिर से उसने जो है वो आंसर किया. What was his answer? Ga 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 ga. How many times? 6 times. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him, screaming. उसके पिताजी ने भी देखा that my son, who was very timid, who was very coward, had taken his flight. That's why he also came near him to give the moral and mental support. उसके पिताजी भी आ गए. उसको लग रहा था कि मेरे पिताजी कितने बड़े दुश्मन हैं मेरे, मुझे देखना नहीं चाहते हैं. But this was what? Method, tactical method. Then his father flew over him screaming. He saw his 2 brothers. उसके भाई भी आ गए. And his sister flying around him. चारों तरफ से उड़ रहे थे. Curveting, they were leaping like a horse and banking with one leg higher than the other. They wanted his 2 brothers and his younger sister wanted that you should also enjoy your flight like this, one wing higher and one wing lower. इस प्रकार से उड़ो जो उसने सीखा था from their father. वो भाई बहन अपने इस भाई को समझाना चाह रहे थे. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. वो भूल गया कि पहले जो है वो फ्लाई करने के बल नहीं था. भूल गया वो. And commanded himself, he praised himself. अपने से अपने पीठ ठोकी. How wonderful flight I can take. To dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly, he was crying in sharp voice. He was singing his favorite song. फेवरेट सॉन्ग को गा, जैसे देखते हैं बाइक पर लोग चलाते हैं अपना दोनों हाथ छोड़ देगा एकदम, कभी बाल सेट करेगा, गाना गाएगा। लाइक वाइज ही वॉज आल्सो स्पीकिंग फ्रीली। अब वो आ गया नियर द सी, ही वॉज नियर द सी नाउ, फ्लाइंग स्ट्रेट ओवर इट, फेसिंग स्ट्रेट आउट ओवर द ओशन, ही सॉ ए वास्ट ग्रीन सी। We find the sea and the color of the water two types, blue and green, and here you find the color of the water green, vast green sea, beneath him उसके नीचे विशाल हरा समंदर था, with little ridges, with little waves, तरंगे उसमें नाच रही थी, little ridges were dancing on the water, over the surface of water, moving over it, and he turned his beak, और अपने beak को वो टर्निंग कर रहा था sideways, sometimes to the this side and sometimes to that side. He was enjoying himself, he was enjoying his flight, and caught immediately he was cawing, he was making the happy sound. Okay, his parents and his brothers and sisters had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. What was the color of the water? Green. So this was the green flooring. तो उसके पिताजी, उसके भाई बहन पहले ही आ गए कि ताकि वह भी आएगा यहाँ पर, और how they would help him to stand on the surface of water, because his father had not taught him the art of skimming. Skimming you know, कल मैं बता रहा था आप लोग को skimming, standing on the surface of water. तो पहले तो पता नहीं था, अपने और दो बेटों को बताया था, बेटी को बताया था, इसको नहीं बताया था. That's why they came here earlier on this green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, they were giving signal to the young seagull, calling shrilly. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea, और उसने एक पाँव, उसने जो दोनों पाँव रख दिया ग्रीन सी पर, ग्रीन फ्लोरिंग पर. His legs sank into it, और उसके पाँव डूब गए, because he had not learned the art of the young seagull had not learned the art of skimming. Skimming का आर्ट उसने नहीं सीखा था. That's why his legs sank into it. He screamed with fright. He screamed with fear. चिल्लाया, अरे I will sink into the water. मैं डूब जाऊंगा. लेकिन आप जानते हैं God has given the birds and animals the power of swimming. दिया है ना, हम लोगों को नहीं दिया है, लेकिन बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स को दिया है. He screamed with flight and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. फिर से उसने जो है फ्लैपिंग करने का प्रयास किया. He wanted to come out of the water, but he was very exhausted, very tired by the strain exercise. And you know that he was very hungry for 24 hours. स्ट्रेन एक्सरसाइज भी किया था, उसने थक चुका था. मतलब जो होगा, मरना होगा तो मर जाएंगे, वहीं बैठ गया वो. But he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not rise. Exhausted, tired by the strain exercise. Strain exercise caused by what? His flight. His feet sank into the green sea. उसके पाँव डूब गए. And then his belly touched it. उसके बेली ने टच किया वाटर को. And he sank no farther. अब वो नहीं डूब रहा था. This is the power given by Almighty God to birds and animals. He was floating on it. अब वो तैर रहा था. And around him his family was screaming. चिल्ला रहे थे. Praising him. शाबाशी दे रहे थे. And their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. What is dogfish? A kind of sea fish. Scraps means species. Offer कर रहे थे as a prize. Prize for what? For his first flight. They all were offering him scraps of dogfish. He had made his first flight. इस प्रकार से उसने फर्स्ट फ्लाइट किया.